way late. Well, Joel, where are we freezing at today?
We are freezing on the Illinois River in Arkansas. We're floating the stretch between Chamber Springs to the kayak park.
And what's the reason for the freezing?
It's really cold and wet.
We like to fish, even though it's kind of a marginal day.
Yeah, but it hasn't been bad so far. We've caught a decent number of fish and a couple decent fish. Nothing huge, but
no monsters.
But we've had fun so far, so can't complain too much.
It's like this stretch down here below this that bank and deeper and it looks.
Oh, there is actually one on, huh? There you go. Would you look at that? And guess what it is, Dad? You'll never guess.
It's a spotted bass.
What?
Oh, cannot miss. It's spotted bass.
As you have said in the past so many times, I'm spot on. Spot on.
We've had our days and I had a couple days.
Ooh. Oh, that's a fish. No.
Is it fish?
Yes, but it sucks because we're really going against the grain here. He's swimming with me now. He's not huge, but I mean he's definitely not a terribly sized fish. Okay, yeah, it's not that great, but it is a smallie. Where he's supposed to be. Yeah. Okay.
Neosho or not Neosho?
Yeah, it looked like it could have been a Neosho, but I don't know.
As good as it can be.
Yeah, I mean, more so it's just like the unpleasant weather.
Yeah.
I mean, like, he would have caught fish probably, and that's always cool, but yeah, just having to be out and be kind of cold and uncomfortable the whole time is, you know, that's a unappealing thing. So
Of course, he likes to quote his dad and say there's no such thing as cold weather, it's just bad equipment.
wait, he does? He said that?
He said that twice. He said,
Huh. Oh. Oh.
oh,
That's really big, Dad. That's really big. It's really nice. Oh, please.
oh, geez. Oh, that was so sick. Oh, that was so sick. Is it a largemouth? No.
That's another spot.
Wow.
That was so cool, Dad. That was so cool, Dad. I caught that whole thing on video.
Oh, you mean like underwater?
Yeah. That's a freaking nice one. Oh, I did not hook him well. Holy crap. That's representative of my day right there. Just some nice looking spots. His eye is all foggy.
Probably 16, 17,
Yeah, I mean, I would guess 16. Jeez. Got the measuring board. That one was really cool. Really cool chase.
yeah.
And like I caught it all in like, you know, the clarity of the water.
Getting out of the boat and taking.
Nah, we don't have to do that. This guy's about 17. About 17, almost. Maybe like a centimeter off.
Let me just snap a picture just so I can.
Alright. There's that tooth patch. Oh.
Wow, it looks monstrous. Crazy.
That's pretty sweet. That's a beautiful fish right there. Bye, buddy. That was cool. You want to go try again?
Yeah.
Guess not. Oh, I do have one on. Oh, and it's actually pretty good. It's another spot. This one's not too shabby. Not too shabby. God, that's weird. This one's really dull and washed out.
Yeah, it sounds great. Actually, it looks better than it did in the water.
Yeah. They just really want this minnowy, bait fishy looking lure.